Yeah. Have you been recognized in public? In this lockdown, I have become so insensitive. What is your YouTube income? Who are your favorite YouTubers? Okay,
I have a question for you.
tell me. Hi guys, what's up? How are you doing? Today is a 20k special Q&A. We did one Q&A on 2k subscribers and ironically we are at 20k. It seems very nice. Thank you so much for subscribing. And yeah, I'm gonna promise you better content, but you should provide me a little more time for it. But yeah, anyways, if this is a long video, grab a snack, coffee, something, because you're gonna need it. I put this post on my YouTube community tab and I got over 500 comments on it. And if I include all the 500 of these, the video would be so long. So yeah, I have listed out bunch of them in my book. Let's begin. So first question says, how are you so motivated all the time? Don't you feel lazy? Guys, who told I'm not feel lazy? Yesterday only I was feeling not to do anything, guys, and just sit and watch YouTube or something. But whenever I just get lazy, I sleep, I wake up, and again I start doing my work. I do feel lazy sometimes.
Yeah, a lot of times, not sometimes, okay? Yeah.
The next question have to be one of my favorite questions. You are positive all the time. Don't you feel sad or depressed? I feel sad regarding marks. Don't you? You are always happy. Don't you feel sad or don't you show it? Guys, most of my videos I'm so yeah, I do feel sad. I'm a human, guys. Yeah, I do feel sad by marks or something. But I have this really good habit of just letting things go very easily. I sleep and I wake up and I forget everything. Like, I don't care that much. So yeah. Don't I show it? Yes. I don't show it on YouTube just because of one reason. Because there's a lot of negativity and fake positivity on the internet. And yeah, if you see my last video, I guess I was not the best how I used to be. But yeah, I also have my phases. It's okay. See guys, when you feel sad, do you feel to click any picture or something or post stories or something? Do you feel that? No, right? Same ways, if I feel sad, I feel not to vlog, take out camera and vlog. So yeah, it's just like that. I'm still gonna try to be as raw. I'm gonna still try to record the days where I don't feel the most best of myself. So yeah. Next question is, what is your future plan with YouTube? So I don't have any basic plan as such regarding YouTube because this is what I like doing. I don't want to have a plan for it. I'm just a go with the flow kind of person. So yeah, I don't have any like fixed plan for this YouTube or something. I just want our channel to grow, make more videos, improve my editing skills maybe, and yeah. Will you do only study vlogs? Never. I won't. If you know me from the very beginning of our channel, you might know I don't just do one kind of video. I'll do whatever I like, guys, and whatever you ask me to make. Most of you ask me for study vlogs, but somewhere I feel I should not do those much. So yeah. How do sponsors pay you? How do they reach out to you? So they reach out to me through email, and yeah. So talking about brands, let's point in today's video sponsor Unacademy here. Unacademy is coming up with their new iconic for NEET UG aspirants. It is a one step ahead of their plus subscription. Then you guys have to wait for it. You are gonna get Unacademy's branded notes, which is created by their top rankers and top faculties. You can get access to it anytime at anywhere. Then iconic learners will get the branded notes at their homes, and whereas the plus learners will get them in their apps. If you are the iconic subscription student, then you have access to the plus subscription. Then India's best educators, you have interactive live classes, tests and quizzes. They also are running the Unacademy Combat test, which is weekly scholarship test, and you can use my code Shrutikirti PNP to unlock it. You can win exciting prizes and scholarship worth 4 crore rupees. They also have daily practice tests in which you can get exciting prizes. The link will be in my description. Thank you Unacademy for sponsoring this part of the video, and let's move on to my video, shall we? Let's get back to the Q&A now. How do you know Hindi so well? We want to know. guys.
Augie and the cockroaches.
या मैंने बहुत सारे हिंदी कार्टून्स देखे हैं, लाइक डोरेमोन, ओगी कॉकरोचेस, समथिंग समथिंग. या आई हैव ग्रोन अप वाचिंग दोज, सो प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब नो. या तो मुझे बहुत हिंदी अच्छे से आती है, हमारे स्कूल में भी हिंदी था तो मुझे हिंदी अच्छे से आती है. But I don't speak Hindi that much because there are a lot of people from my side, south side. Yeah, so that is how I know Hindi very well. How do you avoid distraction? So first, when I was in 11th, guys, I used to have a lot of distractions and I deleted everything. I deleted Instagram from my phone. I just downloaded whenever I have to post a promotion for my video or say to you guys that I have posted new video, something like that. So yeah, if you are coming from Instagram, say hi down below. Yeah. How to avoid distraction? Just delete, cut off all the identify them and cut off. That's it.
I have a question for you.
Tell me.
When will you get up daily? But ज़्यादातर time कब उठते हो?
ज़्यादातर time I wake up at 7:30 or 7. I don't wake up early, guys. It's bullshit. Yeah, I sleep at 12, 1 or something, and I wake up at 7 most of the times. Okay, not always. App which you use to edit your video and thumbnail. For videos, I was using iMovie, and now I have shifted to Final Cut Pro. It is a trial version. I'm garib, guys, so I don't have the paid version of it. And thumbnail is PixArt. What books I use apart from NCRT? See guys, this is what I use. I don't know whether they are the best or not. I'm nobody. I have not qualified the exam, so I'm nobody to tell you which books to use. Like right of now, okay. So this is a list of all the books I have that I use. Basically, I found DC Pandey helpful sometimes, and yeah, that's it. Please don't ruin.
I want to come in the video.
You come at last.
Okay.
Who are your favorite YouTubers? Okay.
Flying Beast.
Flying Beast, then Ria Gogoi, then Ritika, then no, this channel called as Hex, Natalie, then these are all guys. I can't list many. I have many. I'm gonna list them all here. So yeah. Do you have backlogs? Yes guys, I do have backlogs of physics 11th, kinematics, not kinematics, like the, what you say, mechanics of physics. I should do rotational motion and all still perfectly. So yeah, what do you do in your leisure time? I just chill out with my come my little bro here, and or else I go to my dog, or else start with my family or do something. Yes. What is a song that you play at the end of your video? So I play this particular song called as Naguva Nayana by SP Balasubramaniam sir. It is a very nice song. And how did you get its idea? See guys, our Kannada it's a South. Not many people know about the South music except the few A.R. Rahman songs. So I thought this is a nice piece. This is also, I don't know. So I wanted to represent our state. And yeah, I never put the link for that song, guys, so I'm gonna put it today. I have put it in some videos, some not, so I forget it always, so check it out. Then, which place you want to visit and why? I do really want to visit Cherrapunji I want to visit the northeast, Sikkim, Arunachal, Assam, Mizoram, and Cherrapunji. Yeah, I really want to go there. Yeah. If you had a genie, what would you ask for? If I had a genie, I would ask for, if I read something once, I should remember it forever. That would be my wish. That would be fun. No revisions, nothing.
Must planning.
Very good. Do you ever miss your school friends? In this lockdown, I have become so insensitive. Insensitive as in, I don't care that much about anyone. Yeah, I don't like miss them, but I just remember them whenever I see photos, or I'm connected with them through online, but not in person. So yeah. I'm in lack of friends, guys. I miss them sometimes. Who is your best friend? Best friend yaar nan. See guys, I have passed that phase in 6th, 7th, 8th standard. मेरी best friend है, blah 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 blah. I don't even care. Yeah.
But क्या
Nobody, actually nobody.
Yeah,
Nobody. Yeah. I share everything with my parents, I guess, and my family. Grandma, grandpa, dad, mom.
She doesn't have friends also.
Yeah. See, it's a truth bomb, guys.
Only in college she made 2 friends, no?
But they are also not in contact. So my best friends are my parents, I guess, because I'm very open to them. I can share everything I want. So yeah, they are cool people. Then don't you have any insecurities because you don't put any kind of makeup like all others? You seem very raw in your videos.
Raw.
Raw means yeah.
Guys, you see in Dasara vlog, she will look like a ghost. Yeah, she put a lot of makeup in Dasara vlog. Go and check
I was yeah because I had pimples in that video. That's why I put, and everybody was dressing up, so it's okay, guys. In most of my videos I don't dress up. No, simply you are telling. Yeah. मार
किया
पड़ो
तो है ना भाई.
हाँ एक बार किया है भाई मैं हर बार नहीं करती ना. I don't put makeup because it is a lot of mehnat for a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Who will get ready for a YouTube video, man? I just wake up and start. Yeah. Like there are many people who put makeup and shit
Yeah.
before, and I don't want to be one of them. So yeah, it is too much mehnat. I like my pimply skin. Okay. Don't you have insecurities? I don't have right now because I am not being surrounded by people. Like I know 22,000 of you know me. Yeah, okay, but like in person, nobody like calls out me or something. So I don't care. I don't have any insecurities right now. But when I was in 9th, 10th, I had my insecurity about my height because in 9th I was the second shortest girl in the class.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, those days. I don't want to remember those. I used to put these heels kind of thing inside my shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. To just. So that was one of my. Now I don't care, guys. And now I don't have any of those. And I think short people are cute, okay? Don't you ever judge short people. I tell you. You guys are sweeties. You don't. I know. What is your YouTube income? See guys, it is very fluctuative. Like 1 month you might earn very high and 1 month you will earn very low. It is very non-predicted. Okay. So yeah, this if you want to know my this month's income, it is 8,000 rupees.
मजा आया.
Yeah, it depends upon months, guys. For example, in February I just earned 200 rupees. Yeah, it's very fluctuative. But it's whatever I'm getting is because of you. I'm very happy that I get this much also. Yes.
Congrats.
Then next question, how much hour do you study in a day? Are you productive all the time or it's just for the vlog? See guys, I don't measure.
She didn't count anything, but
Very good.
But-
I don't count anything, guys. Hours and shit. And are you productive all the time? Never. Nobody can be. And yeah, it is just for the vlog. No.
no.
The only vlog I faked, like I was just faking it up, was my birthday vlog. I just wanted to get that zeal of having birthday, so I did it. Then rest all. After that, I was feeling very terrible. My mom told me, oh, you don't look real in that video. So yeah, after that I stopped. Whatever I do is real, I guess. 99%. Yeah. How do you go about your filming your videos? Mainly when you do the day in life types. Okay, so I have this big boy camera which you are seeing through, and I have my phone. I vlog most of it through my phone because my phone is very handy. And yeah, like day in my life, what I do is I study, I finish everything, I set up the camera and do the last things because I don't want my mind to get distracted to shoot and work at the same time. So once I finish my studies, then I keep the camera and do last few things, and yeah, that's how the video comes out to be. How do you deal with hate?
Okay, ignore them.
Yeah, best. Oh my god, this 10-year-old kid is smart. Yeah. I don't get a lot of hate, touch wood. Yeah, I don't get a lot of hate because you guys are very sweeties. You just tell good about
And,
me. I get criticism sometimes.
think,
And I think about it. If it is right, then I'll change it. If it is baseless criticism, out of my
I
mind.
think I learned this from Dharman.
Dharman, yes. Who watches Dharman? Please tell me. Any advice for 11th graders? If you are in 11th, please guys, study. Don't do like me. I didn't study. Didn't take that much seriously. That's why I have backlog. If you have backlog in 11th, 12th of 11th, it will be very stressing for you, like I go through. So yeah, please जो भी दिया है उस दिन का उस दिन ही खत्म कर दो।
कंप्लीट करना हो तो 11th में क्यों जाना पड़ता है? 11th का तो छोड़ देने का वैसे ही।
हाँ, वो छोड़ के ही 12th का, पर फिर भी वो सिर में रहता है ना, ओ मेरा 11th बच गया, मैं कैसा करूंगी, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। हैव यू बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इन पब्लिक? Do you think? Yes, I have been recognized in public in my school. Which one? The first day of school video you saw, no? In that video only, one of my like senior, I didn't know her. She pointed out, "Are you Shrutikirti? I have seen your birthday vlog and all." She told. So I wanted to vlog, but I was in a corridor, so I couldn't vlog with her. So yeah, that was my first public recognition. Yeah, it happened in Bangalore. Okay. When the next was also in my hostel something. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this Q&A. This is one of my favorite questions. I have not seen your videos saying or titling as study vlogs except the NEET aspirant one. What do you think about this culture of study vlogging? This is my best question, okay? Whoever has written is kudos to you. So yeah. See guys, there are a lot of people who just study, who just show what they study, and you don't know if it is real also or not, okay? So I saw this video on YouTube yesterday night. I will link it down below. My battery got exhausted, so I have to speak through my phone now. So yeah.
थारा भाई जोगिंदा इतना सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाएगा, इतना लाइक बटन दबाएगा, किसी ने सोची नहीं होगी।
Anyways, I should go back. I have class in 15 minutes. Bye.
Bye bye. I also have a class. Peace, peace, peace. Peace, 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 peace. Peace.
मधुरा